Hello everyone, my name is Nanap Nanyamedoyebwa and I'm the physiotherapist at Ridge Medical Center. Today I'm here to talk to you about work-related musculoskeletal conditions. These are conditions such as neck pain, low back pain, etc. that arise as a result of our work, and it is mainly as a result of the awkward postures that we assume during work, our poor lifting techniques, and even the repetitive movements that's associated with typing. Here at Ridge Medical Center, the physiotherapist doubles as an ergonomist. So once you come in here, you are guaranteed that you will not only be treated, but you'll also be educated on good posture, proper lifting techniques, arrangement of your office space, and even the right chair to use. For patients who do not have these conditions, you can always pass by to be educated on ways in which you can take to prevent these conditions. It is our health and wellness awareness month. As such, we are providing 20% discount off physiotherapy consultation. We hope to see you here. Thank you.